Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Thread application. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Thread app, firstly go ahead and open up your settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on apps. Click on app management. Scroll all the way down and tap on Threads. Now to delete your Threads application, click on uninstall button right next to the first stop. Confirm deletion of your Thread application by tapping on OK. It will delete your Thread application in no time. This is how you can delete your Thread application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.